From the facade pa lang, panalo na. Tignan mo naman ang lawak. Napaka-spacious. Ang ganda ng natural light. Ang elegant and ang linis tingnan. Ang astig. Taas na ceiling. It's such a game changer. Thoughtfully designed talaga. Look how big it is. So maluwag, di ba? At ito na ang highlight. Masarap tumira dito. Perfect for your dream home. Tara, pasok tayo. I'm thrilled to take you on an exclusive tour of this stunning property here in BF Homes, Parañaque City, known for its prime location and upscale community. This is where modern living meets tranquility. Check this out, a brand new modern house with swimming pool, perfect for your dream home. With a lot area of 280 square meters and a floor area of around 295 square meters, this property has so much to offer. Tara, let's explore. From the facade pa lang, panalo na. The sleek and modern design gives it so much character. And here's your 4-car garage to keep your prized vehicles safe and secured. Tingnan mo naman ang lawak. This space also includes a well-thought-out side easement, adding convenience and flexibility. Over here is the door that leads to your daily kitchen. And over here is your driver's room. And dito naman ang maid's room. And meron silang common toilet and bath. And over here, this is a surprise for you. Mamaya, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Tara, pasok tayo. Ano ang una mong mapapansin dito? Ang una mong mapapansin dito ay ang high ceiling na may napakagandang chandeliers. It makes everything feel open and grand. This is your living and dining area. Napaka-spacious. Ang ganda ng natural light. Thanks to these large windows. This layout is perfect for family bonding and entertaining guests. Over here is your formal kitchen. Ang elegant and ang linis tingnan. Here you have your built-in cooktop, your oven, your range hood. You have here your modern fixtures, your side-by-side refrigerator, and your microwave oven. Perfect for preparing those special meals. And for everyday cooking, here is your daily kitchen. Tara! Here is your pantry, and you have here also your storage room. If you are into property tours of brand new and awesome properties like this, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell button for more exciting property tours. At ito na ang highlight, your very own swimming pool. Imagine the endless possibilities for fun and relaxation right at your own backyard. Ang astig! The good thing about this house is that you have your ground floor bedroom. Tara! With its own toilet and bath, at may access ito sa lanay. This bedroom is perfect for your guests and elderly family members. Thoughtfully designed talaga. Now, let's check out the second floor. Tara! Again, ang taas ng ceiling. It's such a game changer. There are 4 bedrooms up here with its own ensuite toilet and bath. Dito muna tayo sa bedroom 1. Spacious and cozy. Tara, bedroom 2 tayo. This is perfect for kids and teens naman. Bedroom 3 tayo. Very functional and spacious, di ba? Agree ka? Tara, master's bedroom tayo. And finally, the master's bedroom. Look how big it is. And it has its own walk-in closet and the ensuite toilet and bath. Napakalaki. And you also have your stunning L-shaped balcony na super spacious. Sobrang luwag, di ba? Imagine sipping your morning coffee here or relaxing after a long day. Ang sarap tumira dito. I love this property. And if you love it too, send us a message and schedule your viewing. See you on our next property tour.